Christmas is approaching, and the festive buzz has already begun. But let's face it, while we want our decorations to be as fabulous as last year, there's always that concern about waste and its impact on our planet. Don't worry though, because at Gharpedia, we've got the perfect solution. Today, we'll share some amazing eco-friendly Christmas decoration ideas to make your home merry, bright, and kind to the earth. First up, let's make origami stars. You can use repurposed materials like scrap paper, old magazines, maps, or even paper bags. Just cut a square into a pentagon, fold your star following simple instructions, and voila! Add a thread, and you've got a unique tree ornament, eco-friendly and heartwarming. Got some old decorations you're tired of? Don't toss them. Please give them a fresh look with a silver or gold spray paint coat. It's a super easy way to make them look brand new. Remember, careful storage will ensure your decorations last for years. For a cozy ambience, try making candle jars. Repurpose old food jars, add a layer of salt, pop in a tea light, and tie cinnamon sticks or sprigs of pine around the jar with a ribbon. It's simple, stunning, and smells amazing. Forget disposable wrapping paper. Make reusable gift bags out of pillowcases. They're perfect for large or oddly shaped gifts. You can choose fun patterns to make them pop. Secure with a ribbon, and you have a thoughtful, waste-free wrap. Love a good Christmas wreath? Make your own. Gather flexible branches, pine cones, and holly, or repurpose an old base. It's a creative and sustainable way to add charm to your front porch. For a touch of sparkle, use plant-based glitter. It's biodegradable, so you can enjoy the glimmer without the guilt. Cinnamon stick ornaments are as beautiful as they are fragrant. Use leftover ribbon from last year, tie a bow, and hang these little bundles on your tree. They're compact and even useful for baking later. Don't throw out your old jeans, turn them into denim ornaments. Cut shapes, stitch them together, and stuff them with fabric scraps or cushion filling. These durable decorations are stylish and sustainable. This holiday season, let's give back, not just to each other but to our planet. With these eco-friendly ideas, you can create a magical Christmas setting while reducing waste. So, get creative, have fun, and let's make this a season of joy and sustainability. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year!